everybody, this is Heather Ann, and it's Christmas time at Disneyland, and I want to talk about the tree because they changed it. They made like Victorian decorations. They're gold and shiny, and they have these like Victorian, they look like Victorian, cards or something, and it's very pretty. But it's different than it's been, ever. And I like it, but I am kind of sad because, the old tree had like the toy soldiers and it had, gingerbread cookies. And every year since my kids were toddlers or even littler, we would take like, pictures of them trying to bite the cookie. I know it's cheesy. It's just like a cheesy thing, but it was a tradition and, we don't get that this year. So it's kind of like weird. See, like they have like giant candles. It's kind of weird to see the different decorations on the tree because it was, it was different for so long. But I mean, it is beautiful. The Victorian, I don't know, kind of like, look at this. It's really crowded by the tree, so I'm doing my best to just zoom in. It is beautiful, but it's just kind of strange to me to have it be different. Because we had so many traditions. There were like different things we would take pictures with around the tree. So anyway, this is the tree this year. This is 2018, and it's early November still. But they put the tree up nice and early, which is really, some people they don't like early Christmas. But the thing is, for out-of-towners, some people they can't get here in December. So I think it's wonderful that they do holidays early because so many people, they don't live here and they can't get here. So I'm gonna give you a little backup. Going across the street. Ha ha ha. And then here's a little backup of the tree. It's different and it is very pretty, but it's different. And I miss, especially the giant gingerbread cookies and like the toy soldiers and stuff. I don't know. I really liked that kind of toy theme. All right, I'm gonna sign off because my friends are waiting for me and saying, "What are you doing?" And I said, "I'm making a video." So I'm gonna say goodbye, and I'm going to go enjoy my time at the park. Bye. Subscribe. Hey, bye.